Today, we're taking you inside one of the most exclusive and jaw-dropping machines ever created. A $10 million hypercar, where luxury, performance, and engineering collide beyond imagination. From the very first glance, this car doesn't feel like a vehicle. It feels like a moving piece of art, handcrafted with extreme precision and designed for only a handful of elite owners worldwide. The exterior is sculpted from ultralight carbon fiber and rare aerospace materials, shaped to slice through the air with perfect aerodynamic balance, while every curve and surface reflects pure speed and dominance. As we step inside the cabin, the experience becomes even more unreal. Premium hand-stitched leather, exposed carbon fiber, brushed metal accents, and custom details built entirely to the owner's taste create an interior that feels closer to a private jet than a car. The seats are molded for high-speed comfort, wrapping around the driver like a cockpit, while the steering wheel is packed with advanced controls inspired by Formula One technology. Hidden beneath this luxury is a monster of an engine, producing mind-bending horsepower that can launch this hypercar from zero to highway speeds in seconds, delivering performance that most cars could never dream of achieving. Every button, screen, and dial inside the cabin is designed with purpose, blending cutting-edge digital displays with a raw mechanical feel that reminds you this machine was built to dominate the road. The sound alone is unforgettable, a deep, aggressive roar that echoes power, precision, and exclusivity. Driving this hypercar isn't just about speed. It's about the feeling of total control, the confidence that comes from advanced suspension systems, intelligent traction control, and engineering perfected through years of innovation. Even at low speeds, the car commands attention, turning heads everywhere it goes, while at high speeds, it becomes an unstoppable force of technology and design. This level of luxury isn't mass-produced. It's rare, personal, and reserved for those who live at the very top of the automotive world. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the aerodynamics of the body, exists to create an experience that feels almost unreal. A $10 million hypercar isn't just about transportation. It's a symbol of achievement, ambition, and human engineering pushed to its absolute limits. And as you witness what goes into creating a machine like this, one thing becomes clear.